what makes us so unique is that we have a wonderful blend of the culture, of our cuisine, and our outstanding community festivities. I'm from the Shreveport-Bossier area. There's always something to do. Sometimes it's a big, giant festival or a parade, or you're taking these intimate moments to go to one of my favorite places to eat downtown, which is Abby Singer's Bistro. And you get a slice of the delicious taste and sights and sounds all in one place. There's some things that you can do at the boardwalk and enjoy all of the different shops and stores and restaurants. You know, one of the craziest experiences that we can have is zip lining right there at Gators and Friends. That's one of the craziest and the coolest things to do. What makes us so very special is our culture, our diversity, the people and the various ethnicities that we celebrate often here in our area. And one of the places I enjoy going is right here at the Southern University Museum of Art here in Shreveport, where we celebrate the African and African American experiences through art and artifacts. One last thing I want you to remember. No matter who you are, no matter where you're from, no matter what you look like, no matter what you sound like, we here in Shreveport-Bossier, we want to give you one big welcome.